Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a simple stitch again, which is how to slip stitch into the chain or any stitch you will make, whether double crochet or a single crochet. It's going to be the same way for all. So I'm going to start with a slip knot and make a certain number of chains. So 1, 2, 3, so I've got 10 chains here. One thing you need to always remember, we cannot work in the first chain after the hook because this will open the last loop. I'll show you how. I get this question sometimes, why I can't work in the first stitch, and this is how it becomes. You lose the loop. So you have to work in the second chain. So 1, 2, this is where we're gonna start working. So I'm gonna insert the hook, pull the yarn through both loops. That's a slip stitch. I'm gonna insert the hook into the next chain. I'm gonna pull through all. That's slip stitch, and I'm gonna repeat in every chain. That's a slip stitch. And the last one, pull through all. And that's how you make a slip stitch in the chain or in any stitch. It's you just insert the hook, pull the yarn through both loops. That's all you need to know.